Hello everyone, welcome to Kids channel. Panchatantra Tales. A friend in need is a friend indeed. In a forest there lived 4 friends, a deer, a mouse, a turtle and a crow. Every day they would meet by the lake. One day the deer did not come. When the crow flew over the forest, he found the deer trapped in a hunter's net. He came back and told the mouse and the turtle about their friend. The mouse scurried to the place and the turtle followed. The mouse freed the deer by gnawing at the net. Just then the hunter was approaching. He saw the turtle and caught him instead. The other 3 friends thought of a plan to rescue him. The hunter had reached the river bank when he saw a dead deer in his path. He put down the turtle and went to the deer. Just then the crow cawed and the deer escaped. Then he returned around to find the turtle sliding into the river. The naughty monkey. A group of monkeys were relaxing in a forest when they saw a woodcutter cutting a tree with an axe. After a while, the woodcutter went to have lunch. He covered his axe with a piece of green cloth and left it under the tree. Soon a naughty monkey came there. He removed the cloth and picked up the axe. Then he went back to the other monkeys and began playing with it. An elderly monkey warned, "It's a dangerous tool. Do not fool around. You might get hurt." But the naughty monkey and his friends took the axe and climbed up a tree. They sat on a branch and began cutting it. They took turns cutting the branch. Soon enough, the branch fell, taking the monkeys down with it. They were hurt and began crying loudly. The elderly monkey said to them, "Had you listened to your elders, this would not have happened." The monkey and the carpenter. Once, a group of monkeys lived near a temple in a village. One day, a carpenter was busy splitting wooden logs outside the temple. A young monkey was intrigued by the carpenter's work. When the carpenter went for lunch, the young monkey wanted to split the wooden logs. His friends said, "Those tools look dangerous. Keep away from them." But the monkey went to the place where the wooden logs were kept. Then he opened the carpenter's bag and began looking at the different tools in it. When the carpenter finished his lunch, he was surprised to see the monkey fiddling with the tool bag. The monkey did not know which way to run. In a fit of panic, his tail got stuck under a wooden board. The angry carpenter hit it before rescuing it. The monkey ran back to his friends, who said, "You should not have meddled with other people's work." Hope you all loved this story, and in coming videos we will come up with more and more stories you can enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos, and do not forget to tap on the bell icon to receive the updated videos of our channel. Thank you. Bye. And let's meet with another exciting story. Bye.